Hi guys! Okay, so for today's video is one of the most highly requested videos na gawin ko. Ang dami-dami nagko-comment ito, nagawa ko doon ng video, so I'm like, okay, your wish is my command. So obviously from the title, we're going to swatch the new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink City Edition. Well, not really new for me and new for my channel. Pero I think it's been out for a long time, but for some reason, parang hindi siya ganun ka-hyped up. Parang hindi, alam mo yun, parang hindi ganun kabongga yung promotion para sa kanya pagdating dito sa Pinas. And you know what? I'm a little bit confused. E di syempre, sinerch ko yung Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink City Edition. And then, merong mga lumabas na video international na yung City Edition nila, merong parang blue color din. Pero pagdating dito sa atin, when I checked out yung online shops, yung Lazada, parang walang blue color. And yung sa mga videos na napanood ko, there were just like, what, 10 shades? Pero sa online store, they were like, I'm not sure, I think they were 14, 15 or something like that. And I only got 10. I didn't get all the colors because parang meron mga colors doon na light colors na parang feeling ko hindi ka naman magagamit. And there were also dark colors na I did not get kasi ang dami ko ng dark colors ng matte ink. So, parang magkakamukha lang sila. So, I don't know. But these colors, these are the colors that I think I don't have. I think I would definitely use for every day. So, hey guys, so nag-change location na ako ng very quick because I was not loving the lighting there. Parang medyo off siya, so I transferred here and used a little bit of my ring light to bring out the real color. So I divided the colors based on their color family. So unahin ko yung parang mga orangey brown-ish tone. Shade that I have on is called Versatile. So this is actually a peachy nude, but alam mo yun, hindi siya yung dead nude. It has a really good color to it and wearable talaga siya for everyday. Alam mo yun, yung pa-sweet lang. This is good if you have medium to fair to really light skin tone. Pero kung morena ka, hindi ko sure kung mapupusuan mo to because it's pretty light. Yeah.
With shiny gold. Us behind.
Okay, so the next shade I have on is called Globetrotter, and this is a very unique color, you guys. How am I gonna describe it? It's like a really deep burnt orange na may orange brown undertone, you know. It's very deep in person at papasa siyang orange brown, and this one is very wearable. Kahit anong skin tone mo, mapamorena ka man, feeling ko babagay din sa ito because it's actually a little bit deep, so it will definitely show up on your lips. And good thing about this is it doesn't look red in person. It still looks like brown. So next color that I have on is in the shade Assertive, and oh my god, it's like, how am I gonna describe it? A combination of peach, orange, and pink. I don't know, I'm not sure kasi parang wala akong lip color na ganito. It's good for everyday wear and I think it can complement all skin tones. Well, let me imagine yung mga morena. Hindi ko sure sa mga morena, pero feeling ko this is going to be a little bit bright if you have really deep skin tone. Pero kung medium fair to light and pale, babagay sa'yo to. But it's actually a pretty color.
You see enemies at every turn, so long.
So next shade that I have on is called Seeker, and this is like straight up brown maroon color. It's not something new. I think I have a lot of colors na ganito, pero what I can say is bagay siya sa lahat ng skin tone kahit na morena ka. But you know, it's not my favorite. Kasi parang ang dami ko nang na-try na ganitong lip color. Yeah.
Following road that's paved with shining gold, leaving all of us behind.
So we are done with the orange browns. Now let's move on to the pink-ish side. So the first shade that I have is called Self Starter, and you guys, I really love this color because it's like nudie pero not dead nude kasi meron pa naman siyang bonggang pigment. It's like a combo of pink and peach. It looks so sweet, it looks so girly, soft, and good for every day. But if you're morena, if you have deep skin tones, I'm not sure if you're gonna like this because it's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit light. Alam mo, if you're maputi, parang mas lalo kang magmukhang mestiza with this.
Leaving all of us behind, leftovers. You see enemies at every turn.
So what I have on is called Delicate, and it is so delicate. It's a very sweet pink, pero pero parang hindi naman siya blue tone pink. It's like a warm pink. So I think it's a kind of nude pink na easier to wear. It actually looks good if you have fair to light skin tones, pero pag morena ka, girl, this is not a color for you because it's so light, and feeling ko with your yummy chocolate skin magsa-stand out like pale nude pink siya. So this is shade Delicate.
Leaving all of us behind, leftovers.
So, the shade that I have on right now is called Artist. Thank God, another shade na bagay sa mga morena because this is straight up magenta color, purpley dark magenta color, and this is good for nighttime, also good for daytime, pero wala kang gagawin kahit ano sa eyes mo like this. This is eyeliner, it's all good. Pero alam mo yun, nothing too special, it's magenta.
Following road that's paved with shining gold, leaving all of us behind.
Next shade I'm wearing right now is called Founder, and oh my god, I love this color. First of all, bagay siya sa mga morena and deep skin tones because it's really gonna show up and complement your skin tone. Bagay siya sa medium, fair, and to light, and to pale skin tones. Bagay siya sa lahat ng skin tones. I'm pretty sure I have another lip color, another lip brand and formula na ganito yung kulay, but it's just so nice. It's just ganda. That's probably what I'm trying to say. Ganda. Yeah. One of the colors that I highly recommend that you get.
Leaving all of us behind, leftovers. You see.
Now let's move on to the reds. I have two red-ish color over here. I did not get yung parang red-orange color. I forgot what the name was, pero ito lang yung parang feeling ko na pusuan ko. So the shade that I'm wearing right now is called Ambitious, and it's actually a bright red, and it really reminds me of yung isa pang Superstay matte ink in this shade Pioneer. Sa packaging, this one, yung Ambitious, is more orangey, and this one, yung Pioneer, is like true red. But I want to see it in action. Oh, sa camera, you won't be able to tell difference. Pero this one talaga is more orangey, yung Ambitious. And then this one is more on yung parang red na may pinkish undertone. Kung ako tatanungin mo which one is better, I like Pioneer better. This one is better than Ambitious in my skin tone and my preference. Pero baka ikaw kasi mas napupusuan mo talaga yung bright, like bright red with a little bit hint of orange. This one looks good if you have medium to light skin tone. Pero ito yung klase ng red na maging super stand out talaga if you have morena and deep skin tones. So, hindi ko sure kung mara-recommend ko siya na klase ng red. Pero this one, yung Pioneer, go get this because I think lahat ng skin tone ika-complement ni Pioneer more than the Ambitious. This one is from the first batch ng Superstay Matte Ink that they released, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi nag-release sila ng Superstay Matte Ink. And then Superstay Matte Ink Nudes. And then now yung City Edition. So yeah, this is the shade Ambitious.
As you're winning, you'd let the whole world burn.
Oh my god, you guys, we are down to the last color. So the last shade that I have on is called Groundbreaker, and this is actually paposition na red color, red lipstick, but it has a brown orangey undertones. So bagay din siya dun sa brown orangey family. Dun sa first batch na siniswatch ko. Pero pag sa malayo kasi, mukha siyang red lipstick, but you know, hindi nananapak na red. It looks like a subtle red. Kaya lang parang it's gonna make your teeth yellow. Ganong klase. Do I like it? Yeah, you do. Pwede naman. But it's not something like, you know, super duper exciting. Pero the good thing is, feeling ko bagay to sa lahat ng skin tones. Although it's gonna show up a little bit, just a little bit light or bright if you have really deep skin tone. Pero, yeah, okay naman siya.
As you're winning, you'd let the whole world burn. Get out.
So those are the 10 shades that I have. Marami pang ibang shade na pagpipilian. Go check out Lazada, Shopee, I think sa Beauty M&L, I'm not really sure. Maybe. Sa Zalora, hindi ko rin sure kung meron doon. Pero most likely sa Lazada meron talaga, definitely. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at ayun na, napagbigyan ko na ang inyong request. So kung meron ka bang other requests, be sure to comment it down below and follow me on all my social media accounts. All the links down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!